This is a Milford Riveter, model number 305. Number 2. Let me just grab a flashlight here so I can read this label to you. Okay. So it is a 305, serial number 3102. Takes a 583 Rivet. Roll set is T820-1K-4. Driver is 563DS-9. Jaws are 83044-T2. The hour meter here has 37,984.04. Whatever that means. It is a 110 unit, operated with the switch, plugged into a power strip. Power strip's right there. 110 cord. It's got rivets in it right now. And here, I'll show you it working. So, foot switch down here. You click the foot switch, and there it goes. They fly off because I think it needs something there. Here is the hopper, rivets in the hopper. That spins freely. Here's the safety device. Don't really know what that does. Probably turns it off, but doesn't seem to be doing that. I guess I can pop this. Show you the wheel spinning. It's a lovely wheel. That's the unit. It's gonna have to be truck shipped, and yeah. Backside. Made in the USA. Not a lot of companies can say that. And I'll get a picture of that. And that's the unit. If you got any questions, concerns, didn't do something right, or wanted me to do something right, let me know. Thank you.